Right now, when I play this game, I can keep tapping grapes forever, and my score goes up and up and up. What if I want to make it restart and go to 0 again? There are lots of ways to do this. One way is with a restart button. The user can press the button and their score will go back to 0. To do this, I will need a button. I will put one on the screen. And then remember, if I want them to be in a line like this, I need a horizontal arrangement component. I will find that one and drag it onto the screen. Uh-oh, now I can't see the other pieces. I will make the canvas smaller, just so that I can set things up. I will change the height to something much smaller, and now I can see these. I put them inside the horizontal arrangement, and now I can make the canvas big again. To finish setting up my button, I will make sure that I put text on it that will help the user know what it does. It will say start over. And I will make sure I give the button a name that helps me know what it does in the code. I will call it Start Over button. Now I am ready to think about code for the button. You already know how to do everything this button needs. The script will say, when the button is pressed, set the score variable to 0. Then make this label show the score variable. Let's look at some blocks. Right now, when the grapes are touched, we set the score to be whatever it is now plus 1. Then make the label show the new score. This is very similar to the script for your reset button. Pause the video and try to figure out how to code this on your own. Then come back when you are ready to check. Welcome back. Here is how to code the reset button. Check to make sure that you did the same thing. First, we need when the Start Over button is clicked. Then we need this block that says Set Score. I will get that from variables. Set score. And then we will set it to 0 by taking the top math block that shows the number 0. Then we need this whole line right here. Set the score label text to show the new score. I will just duplicate this one. I will right-click, then pick Duplicate to make a copy. And I can put that whole copy here. Now it does what I need it to do. When the button is clicked, score goes to 0, the label shows the score. It will say 0. If I want to, I can add this one that says to also move the grapes. It does not matter. What if I don't want a restart button? What if I want another object, like maybe a cupcake, that will make your score go to 0 if you touch it? Here is how to do that. It is almost the same as a restart button, but I will need another image sprite component, just like I did with the grapes. Then I will need to put a picture on it, and then the code for the cupcake would be almost the same as code for the restart button. When this sprite is touched, make your score 0, then make the label show the score. It would look like this. When the cupcake is touched, and I will just take these blocks. Set score to 0, make the label text show the score. That's all it needs to do to make your score go down to 0. If you also want the cupcake to move, then you will need to figure out on your own how to do that by looking at your Move Grapes script and some of the other parts. There are lots of other ways to reset your score too. Maybe you have some more ideas. You can probably figure out how to do them on your own. But if you get stuck, you can always ask for help or search YouTube for videos about App Inventor. Best of luck!